Valentine's Day sneakers are starting to make their mark for 2026, and the lineup is looking sweet. Sneaker News recently revealed a first look at the Air Force 1 Valentine's Day edition, featuring classic holiday colors and a metallic heart charm for an extra touch. But that's not all. Nike is also bringing the Air Max 95 Big Bubble into the mix. After a successful comeback in 2025, the Air Max 95 is getting pushed even further next year with special editions and collaborations. This women's release, dropping in mid-January, celebrates Valentine's Day with a soft pink base that gradually transitions into a rich red at the tongue. Like the Air Force 1, these will also feature heart-shaped metallic charms with the iconic swoosh inside. Perfect for those planning their Valentine's Day sneaker rotation, both pairs will be available on Nike.com and select retailers starting January 14, 2026, with a price tag of $200. Don't miss out on these holiday-inspired kicks.